Hey guys, Ozzy here, and welcome to Ozpinions, a repository for my Ozpinion on television series, animes, products, and streaming services. Please stay tuned for more content. Okay, so here we have a pat of the butter. I am just putting it into the pan right now. I'm going to cook some onions and peppers and everything in this nice pan that will be all nice and coated with this butter. I can really smell it in the air right now. Okay, so I've got the onions and the peppers in there, but I also decided to put the beef in the ground meat. I'm going to start breaking it up. I'm not exactly sure where this recipe is going right now. I just know I'm going to break up this ground beef in here, get it really nice and brown it real good. Get these onions and peppers and cooked down a little bit, sauteed out, and get some really good flavor on them. And really just break them down really good. This should be a yummy recipe. I'll keep you guys appraised. Okay, so what I did is I just kind of cranked that heat up to that last little bit here to get a really good cook on it. Now I'm going to take some sauce. I'm going to add it right in here. And we're going to mix this in nice. So we got a nice sauce and burger mixture going on here. That heat got cranked, so it's going to heat that sauce, which was in the fridge, right up. All the flavor that's in that meat is going to marry right into that nice sauce. And then, okay, so here we are. Now I just want to incorporate all of this together. And just get all these nice white kernels of rice coated here. And there we go. And now I'm just going to smooth it out a little bit because I'm going to go for my last thing that I always love to do, which is cheese. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to spread this out nice and thin. There we are. Now I'm going to go and get me some cheese, and I'm going to put it on top, and I'm going to put it under the broiler. So be right back. Okay, so the cheese is on. Now we just open the oven. Grab this. This is going to be a little heavy, but we can do it. Slide it right in, under there. And close that up. All right, ladies and gentlemen, moment of truth. There we are. That's how it turned out. Oh, that looks so good. Now, I decided that what I'm going to do is I've got some hard shell tacos. And last night I had some, I'm going to take the chicken out, but I've got some lettuce and stuff. So I'm going to turn this into a taco. All right, guys. At least that's my opinion. I don't know. You guys have to come up with your own. Hey guys, if you haven't already, please go down to the bottom and click that thumbs up like button. And if you're not already a subscriber, would you please consider subscribing to the channel? And then, if you did both of those things, would you also go down and find that notification icon? It looks like a bell. Click on that and you'll get notified anytime I upload new content. Guys, I love shooting these videos for you, and I hope to be doing this for a long time coming. You guys have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Ozzy out. Bye.